Welcome to Zeus Hygia Life Sciences, where innovation, science, and quality come together. Driven by research and powered by expertise, we create next-generation nutraceutical ingredients. Our R&D team transform innovative ideas into science-backed ingredient solutions through continuous research and development. Every raw material undergoes stringent quality checks before entering our manufacturing process. Our advanced manufacturing systems ensure precision, consistency, and uncompromising product quality in every batch. Powered by our proprietary Biosolve, Biofusion, and Insolib technologies, every batch is rigorously tested to ensure purity, safety, consistency, and global quality standards. With precision packaging and complete traceability, every product is prepared for customers around the world. Trusted by partners across global markets, we deliver science-backed ingredients for healthier lives. Zeus Hygia Life Sciences, advancing nutrition through science and innovation. Efficacy matters.